Question number 8. Net payment method. Ledger accounts in the books of the firm. XYZ are equal partners in Mrs. XYZ. Okay. The balance sheet of the firm as at 31st March 2019 was as follows. Here all those loan, creditors, land and building, plant, all these things has been given, and the thing is capital of X and Y is in debit side and Z's capital is in credit side. On the date it was decided that the firm would be converted into a limited company on the following terms. Here some transactions has been given. Land and building be valued at 2 lakh rupees, plant and machinery 2,50,000, 10% of book value to be written off for obsolete stock. A reserve for bad debts to be made at 10% of debtors. Reserve for discount on creditors at 6% to be made. Next, the new company would issue 12,000 equity shares of 10 rupees each, means 12,000 equity shares of face value 10 rupees each, which is fully paid. Such shares to be valued at 1,50,000, means 12,000 into 10 means 1,20,000 should be valued at 1,50,000 rupees, and 668% debentures of 100 rupees each, means 66,000. Shares and debentures are to be distributed according to the profit sharing ratio. Here remember, the profit sharing ratio is also not given. If it's not given, then they should divide it equally. Additional and excess capital are to be adjusted accordingly by bringing cash or by paying off the same. Next thing is close the books by firm. All these things has been given. Now move to calculation of purchase consideration. Here equity shares, just I have told you that 1,50,000 rupees. It has been valued for 1,50,000 rupees, and remaining in debentures 660 debentures into 100 each, that is 66,000. So total purchase consideration is 2,16,000 rupees. And in the books of XYZ firm, realization account. Okay. Here land and building was given that 1,50,000, plant and machinery is 2 lakh, and stock is 3 lakh rupees, and debtors 1 lakh rupees, which has given in the problem. See here. And next thing is loan from bank 5 lakh rupees, and creditors 1 lakh rupees, and the purchase consideration just we have calculated as 2,16,000 rupees. Make the total of it, and the balancing figure is 96,000. Here profit sharing ratio is not given, so they are going to divide it equally, that is XYZ the same amount 32,000 for these three partners. Purchasing company account. Here realization account means this 2,16,000 rupees has arrived from this purchase consideration, 2,16,000 rupees, and by equity shares in purchasing company account 1,50,000 rupees, which has been given here. That same thing again I am telling you that the equity shares at market value 1,50,000 rupees. So here equity shares is 1,50,000, and remaining 8% debentures of 660 debentures for 100 each, that is 66,000. This account balances, make the total of it. And the next thing is equity shares in purchasing company account, means here equity shares valued for 1,50,000 rupees, just I have showed here 1,50,000 rupees. Again these three XYZ have divided it in the same ratio, that is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and 50,000 each, and once again make the total of it. Next, 8% debentures in purchasing company account. Here debentures has valued as 66,000, this 66,000 debentures. So this 66,000 also divided by these three persons equally, 22, 22, 22 each. And now we will move to partners capital account. Here in this partners capital account, by balance brought down 50,000 for X, and here in this capital account balance brought down 50,000 for X and 1 lakh for Y, and here at the debit side 30,000 for Z, because I told you that Z's capital in the credit side, and X and Y 50,000 and 1 lakh. Now by realization account 32,000, 32 and 32 which has arrived from this realization account. And next thing is to equity shares in purchasing company account 50,000 each. Means here equity shares purchasing company account, just we have calculated 50,000 each. And 8% debentures account, once again 22,000 here. See here 22,000 for these partners. And next thing is make the total of it, and here credit side for Z 70,000 is the balancing figure, and for X and Y 10,000 and 60,000 is the balancing figure. And next thing is bank account. See here C's capital account 70,000, just we have calculated, and by A's account is 10,000 and capital account of B is 60,000. Make the total. I told you that bank or cash account always balances. And next thing is in the books of purchasing company, the entries are: first one, business purchase account debited 2,16,000. Means this 2,16,000 which is we have calculated as purchase considerations here 2,16,000. And debited to vendor firm account 2,16,000. Okay. Next entry is, these are the incorporation entries. Next thing is land and building account debited, plant and machinery account debited 2 lakh and 2,50,000. These are the, see here they have given in the problem that land and building has valued for 2 lakh rupees, plant and machinery valued for 2,50,000 rupees, and all the informations has been given. As per this information you have to make the incorporation entries here. And next thing is a stock account. Stock account, they have given that the information is given that 10% of book value to be written off for obsolete stock. So see here stock is 3 lakh rupees. Now 3 lakh rupees, on this 10% has been written off. So 3 lakh into 10%, that's equal to 30,000. So 3 lakh minus 30,000 equal to 2,70,000 rupees. Next thing is debtors account. Debtor account is, here debtor is for 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Now so debtors 1 lakh rupees, and here debited to loan from bank account 5 lakh rupees, which has again given in the problem that loan from bank is 5 lakh rupees. Next thing is to creditors account. For this creditors an information is given, yes, a reserve for discount on creditors at 6% to be made. So here creditors is 1 lakh rupees. On this 1 lakh rupees reserve of 6% means 6,000. 1 lakh minus 6,000, that's equal to 94,000 rupees. And provision for bad debt. Here they have given that provision, a reserve for bad debt to be made at 10% of debtors. So 10% of debtors means on 1 lakh 10%, that's equal to 10,000 is the provision for bad debts. And to business purchase, all of you know that business has been purchased for 2,16,000 rupees. So next thing is the narration is being assets and liabilities taken over. Next thing is to vendor firm account debited, that is 2,16,000 rupees. It has been given in the equity shares of 1,20,000 rupees, that is 12,000 equity shares of 10 each, that is 1,20,000 rupees, and 8% debentures of 66,000 rupees, this one 66,000 rupees, all of you know. And the remaining amount of 30,000 rupees, which is I told you that 1,50,000 is the market value, and equity share capital account we have entered it 1,20,000. So the difference amount of 30,000 have to be transferred to security premium account, that is 30,000 rupees. So these are the incorporation entries. Next thing is balance sheet. See here balance sheet, I have told you that it should be in the format which has been specifically given in the theory part of this unit, that here balance sheet should be prepared in the Companies Act as per the format of Companies Act 2013 Schedule 3 Part 1. So Equity and liabilities, shareholders under shareholders fund share capital 1,20,000 rupees, not the market value, remember. And B, reserves and surplus, that is security premium is 30,000, just we have calculated 30,000 rupees. And under non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings, 8% debentures plus bank loan. 8% debentures is 66,000 rupees plus bank loan is 5 lakh rupees. So total is 5,66,000 rupees. And under current liabilities, trade payable means creditors 94,000 rupees, that just we have calculated that it has been 94,000 rupees. So make the total of it 8,10,000 rupees. And assets, here non-current asset, under it fixed assets, on that tangible fixed asset is land and building account 2 lakh rupees, it has been valued for 2 lakh. Plant and machinery has been realized for 2,50,000 rupees, make the total of it 50,000 rupees. And under current assets, inventories, that stock has been realized for 2,70,000, and trade receivables means debtors. In these debtors, you have to remember that you have to deduct the provision, that is 1 lakh minus 10,000. This 10,000 has been calculated here, that provision for bad debts 10,000 rupees. So under debtors, on this debtors less 10,000 rupees of provision, you will get 90,000, and the balance, make the total of it 8,10,000 rupees, it balances.